Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this video I'm going to unbox and review boAt Rockerz 450. So let's get started. Here's the box. Let me give you the box overview. So we got a transparent layer sheet at the front. At the side we got the boAt logo and the power button logo. This side we got some features as 40mm driver, adaptive ear cups, Bluetooth 4.2, 15 hours battery life, seamless controls and voice assistant with Google and Siri. We got a bunch of information down, nothing on the top, just a carrying. At the back we got boAt logo again. We got the photo and Google Assistant and Siri. Again one logo and HD audio. It says immerse your senses tagline of boAt. Let's open it. Let me cut these two seals. And now we will remove this plastic cover, transparent. We got Rockerz written on it. Here are the headphones. Let me remove this cover, the cardboard which is holding it. We'll look at the headphone later. First we'll see what's in the box. You get a plastic bag. Let's see what's inside it. First of all, we got a audio jack cable. We'll come to that later. Aux cable it's called. Then we also got a charging cable, micro USB. Then we got this 1-year warranty card. Then we have this, it's hard to remove. Okay. Here's their promotional template. They're in partnership with IPL this year. And here we have the user manual. It's very fitted edge to it, so let me remove it. It was very hard to remove. Now let's look at the user manual. We got the user manual black theme, nothing on the back. We'll look at this later, I guess. Let's get to our headphones first. Simple packaging. Just fold this and insert them. And here we have the headphones. Very nice feeling. We got boAt logo on the top. Very good matte finish. We got the headrest, very soft. Got the boAt logo, shiny on both the side. It's a little different texture. We got this adaptive ear cups. We got some ports here and some buttons also. Like this is the mic, light, and aux input, charging port, and the multifunction buttons. Volume up, volume down, power on, and all that. Overall, the headphones are good, I guess. Feeling and all, quality is very nice. Let's look at some accessories we got. So here we have the charging cable. Let me remove it. And here it's charging, not pretty long, but yeah, its quality is good. Just insert in the headphone like this and charge it. There will be a red light while charging. After its full charge, it will red light go off. Usually it takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it. That's good. Let's take a look at the aux cable we get for hearing offline when the battery runs out. And this we have a pretty big one. It's enough for connecting headphones when your phone is in backpack or something. It's very easy to use. Just put one end in the headphones and the other in your phone, mobile, and play the song. That's it. X-ray is very good. Now I will show you how to connect from Bluetooth. First of all, press this button for 5 seconds is fine. You get the light blink, not blinking, yeah, little interval blinking, blue light. Also get a prompt inside that it's power on. And when it's blinking red and blue, it means it's in pairing mode. You also get prompts inside when you are having it on your head. Then just get your phone, turn on Bluetooth, make sure it's in pairing mode, and you should get port Rockerz 450. Just click on it. And it will pair. Give it a little time. You will have a pairing request. Click OK, and the blinking light will stop and it will be paired. But the blue light will still continue to blink. Now the pairing was very fast and quick. Well, that was it. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike this, you can hit the dislike button. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.